Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be reviewing a wooden product that is based in India, and the toy product is Skola Socks Twin Colors, and your child will have a delightful practical learning experience by playing with this toy. And all the reviews in my channel are my own personal reviews, as I am having a child of 2+. So without wasting any time, let's get started to the review.
Parents are always curious about their child to get indulged in some creative and skill developing product. So here comes the Skola Socks Twinning Color wooden set, which is having its manual as well. It is mentioned that it is for 3 to 7 years of age group, but you can definitely start using it for 2+ to introduce colors to your child. Your child will love playing with this lightweight socks, and they will get attracted to beautiful colors and shape. Your child will get surprised and will relate it with real socks. Your child may ask you to give them the real socks pairs to play with. As you know, the more they play, the more they grow and the more they explore. So let's start the activities. First activity is the identical pairing, in which the child will put the socks in the pairs in the slot. And by doing this, your child will learn the understanding of colors greatly, and they will also learn the hand and eye coordination. So I found this product really nice. It become difficult for your kid to put the socks in correctly in the slots, so you have to help your child. Now let's go to second activity, which is memory game. So in this, you have to put one socks each in the tray and ask your child to put the same pair or color in it. What it will do, it will enhance the short-term memory skills in your child. So see how I am doing this for you. A child may put the same pair socks in another slot by matching it, but you have to correct your child that they have to put the pairs in the same slot. Playing with these socks improves the grasping and holding power while inserting the socks pieces in the slot. Now let's see the third activity, that is mismatch pairing. In this, what you have to do is you have to put the mismatch color socks in already in the slot, and you can ask your child to put them correctly, and this will improve the problem solving skills in your child. So guys, for buying this product, it is for cost of rupees 795 at Skola website, and you can check the links in description box for buying it. And I highly recommend this product because it has lots of learning benefits and it is a very innovative product. So I think you should buy this product, and it is not that costly. Worth buying for me, as my child really like these socks pairs.
Subscribe, like and share my channel for more such toy reviews and kids essential videos. Thank you.